Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of two popular credit cards in 2025, the Scapia credit card and the IndusInd Tiger credit card. We'll explore everything from features and benefits to pricing, the pros and cons, and we'll end with a fair conclusion on which card truly stands out this year. So make sure to watch till the end. We'll start with the Scapia credit card. It's a co-branded credit card built for modern, app-savvy travelers. It's designed to reward users heavily for booking travel services like flights, hotels, buses, trains, and even visa services directly via the Scapia app. And it comes in both Visa and RuPay variants, offering added benefits like UPI payments via credits and wider merchant acceptance. How about the IndusInd Tiger credit card? It's a co-branded offering by IndusInd Bank in collaboration with Tiger Fintech. It is built for both travel and lifestyle benefits, targeting users who also value perks like golf, movie tickets, and fuel waivers. It offers tiered rewards points based on annual spending, making it ideal for medium to high spenders. It comes with both domestic and international lounge access through Priority Pass. Now let us talk about the main features of each card. First, the Scapia card. 20% back in coins on Scapia travel bookings is what you get. You also get 10% back in coins on all other eligible spends. You also get unlimited domestic lounge access, zero forex markup on international transactions, no cost EMI on travel bookings made via the Scapia app, and there's also a 1% fuel surcharge waiver up to 5,000 rupees monthly spend. The RuPay variant allows 5% rewards on UPI spends, and the Scapia coins is valid for 36 months, but it's only redeemable via the Scapia app. How about the IndusInd Tiger card? It has a tiered reward system like I earlier mentioned. There's also the redemption part. You get 0.40 rupees per reward points for cashback, and you get 1.2 air miles per RP if it's converted. There are 2 domestic lounge visits per quarter and 2 international lounge visits per quarter via Priority Pass. You also get 1.5% forex markup on foreign transactions. There's an unlimited 1% fuel surcharge waiver across all fuel stations in India. Of course, the waiver is only applicable for fuel transactions between 400 to 4,000 rupees. There is 1 complimentary golf lesson or round per quarter, and there is 1 movie ticket, which is up to 500 rupees every 6 months. There's also concierge and auto assist. These are all incredible features. Now, what is the pricing like? For the Scapia card, it costs 0 rupees to join and 0 rupees to renew, so it is lifetime free. 0% forex markup, finance charges and late payment fees apply. There's also a fuel surcharge waiver of 1% up to 5,000 rupees per month. No cost EMI. What about the cost of the Tiger credit card? 0 rupees to join as well and 0 rupees to renew. It's also lifetime free. Forex markup is 1.5%, it's not free. There are finance charges applies, late payment fees also apply. The fuel surcharge waiver is also 1% but unlimited, and there is no EMI option. What are the pros and cons of using these cards? First, the pros. For Scapia, 0 forex markup, high travel rewards, unlimited domestic lounges, and no joining or annual fee. And the pros of the Tiger credit card: there's a tiered reward system that favors high spenders, domestic and international lounge access, additional lifestyle perks like golf, movies, low forex markup, and the fuel surcharge waiver. Other benefits include assurance, concierge, and auto assist, which are all amazing. How about the cons? For Scapia, the rewards are only redeemable on the Scapia app, and there is no international lounge access. For Tiger, the cons include cashback value of the reward points is relatively low. There is no cost EMI option, and lower benefits for users that are spending under 1 lakh. So which is better? Let's break it down. If your primary focus is travel savings, Scapia is a clear winner. It's perfect for digital natives who love planning everything from their phones and who want travel benefits that scale with them instantly. But if you travel less frequently and you value lifestyle perks, then IndusInd Tiger may suit you better. So choose Scapia if you want maximum travel savings, app-first convenience and no fees ever, and choose Tiger if you are looking for a balanced lifestyle plus travel experience with some added luxuries like golf and priority pass lounges. And that's it on the comparison between Scapia and IndusInd Tiger. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore HDFC Regalia First Credit Card, SBI Card Elite, and American Express Platinum Travel Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.